Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to sort out my outside light. As you can see, it's not looking very good at all. I could just buy a new one, but what I'm going to do is to give it a good clean up, paint it and put some new glass in. Well, actually I'm going to be using Perspex as it's a bit easier to work with. First of all, I'm just going to take the bottom section off. It just unscrews. And then now I'll give it a good old clean up. Now it's time to paint the lamp. Right, so I've taken this off and there's bits of glass in it. What I'm going to do is to replace the glass with Perspex. Some of the glass sections were missing. So what I'm going to do is to just cut it out from a bit of Perspex here, use the glass as a template. I'll just have to make sure that I use an LED bulb every time I replace it, because otherwise it could potentially melt the Perspex. I'm just going to draw around the existing pieces of glass, marking onto the Perspex where I need to cut. I'm just using a black marker pen just so it's really clear where I need to cut. I'll go and cut them outside. I'm just going to use a hacksaw just to cut it. Okay, let's see how it fits. Yeah, looks good. Doesn't matter too much about the wonky edges because they're all concealed. And then I'll take the backing off, plastic backing. Okay, if you have got one of these mitre saws, I'm going to use this just to cut all the edges nice and straight. Well, that didn't work. You can see it split it just in the corner. So what I'm going to do is to revert back and use my hacksaw, as I got a nice cleaner line with that. Great, that's them all cut now, ready to be fitted. Now it's time to paint the lamp. I'm just using a black matte paint that can be used on metal. And now it's time to paint the section that's out here. I won't need to take it off at all. I'll just paint it where it is. I'll just give it a couple of coats of paint, and then this paint actually dries pretty quickly, and then I'll paint the rows as well and then let it dry. It's turned out pretty good. Now I'm going to put the Perspex in. I'm going to peel the backing off and then put the Perspex, slot this in. Right, that's all the pieces of glass in, or Perspex in. Got a bit dusty already, so you can actually see it now. But I'll go and fit that onto the lamp itself. Great, that's all done. It's worked quite well. That's another job done. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more videos.